Okay, so you are on grid number 2, operations with whole numbers and decimals, and we are on level 1A vocabulary. Now, this is vocabulary that you will have seen before, so we're not going to spend a whole lot of time on it. We're going to go kind of quickly over the vocabulary. So first of all, remember the difference. What is a difference? So you can pause and write this as you go. Difference is the result of subtracting two numbers. And it can be two or more numbers. We're going to just say two numbers. And an example is 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 is the difference. Next, a dividend. So in the problem, A divided by B equals C. A is the dividend. A is the dividend. And so, for example, we could say 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 10 is a dividend. If we said it this way, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Under here is the dividend. Or if we said 10 divided by 2 equals 5 this way, 10 is the dividend. Remember to pause and you can write down what you need. So a divisor in the problem, A divided by B equals C. B is the divisor. Okay, so for example, let's use the same one that we were using. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 5 is the divisor. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 5 is the divisor. 10 divided by, oops, I wrote that wrong up here. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 5 is the divisor. Okay, estimating. Now, when we're estimating, sometimes you will see this symbol instead of an equal sign. That shows that it is estimating. So estimating is finding an answer that is close enough to the real answer. Finding an answer that is close enough to the right answer. Okay, for example, we have 104 times 52, and that, if we estimate, we could do 100 times 50, which gives us an estimation of 5,000. That answer is close enough to the right answer, so it is estimating. Factor one of two or more expressions. One of two or more expressions that are multiplied together to get a product. That are multiplied together to get a product. Okay, example, you've seen these. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 and 2 are products. You could also see it like this. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 and 2 are factors, excuse me. Or you could see it like this. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 and 2 are factors. Now, a few more. Product. The result of two numbers being multiplied together. The result of two numbers being multiplied together. For example, same problem. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 2 equals 6. These are all different ways that you will see multiplication problems written out throughout this year. Quotient, the answer to a division problem. So the quotient is the answer to a division problem. Okay. Let's use that same problem that we had up at the beginning. I believe it was 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Here's our quotient. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Here's our quotient. And 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Here's our quotient. And finally, the sum, the result of adding two or more numbers. The result of adding two numbers. I'm just going to write two numbers, but you guys know if you add more than one, more than two, it's that. So example is 6 plus 4 equals 10. And that is our sum. So that's it for vocabulary. If you missed some, pause it, go back, rewind, do whatever you need to do, and make sure that you, if you have finished this and everything on level 1A, that you go and change your tracking sheet.